Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a presentations for free simply by using Canva. You want to come over here on the home screen of Canva and you want to scroll down to the section presentations. Let's click see all and we're going to do some filtering over here. We're going to filter the presentations by the actual ratio, which is 16:9. You want to make sure that this is the actual format. Then you want to filter this by style. We're going to use a very corporate style because we're going to pitch our team to agree on our project or our budget. Then we're going to filter by price and we're going to select the free templates for our presentation. Let's start with the basic one, the first one, which is the business project presentation. When you launch the presentation, guys, as every single project in Canva, every element that you can see, you can click and you can edit. Very important is that the presentations are coming with different number of slides. In our case, we have 14 different slides. If you can see underneath how the presentation actually appears, and the editing is very simple. For example, if you already created the actual format in Google Docs, you can simply copy the text, come over here and simply paste your new text, your titles, your new headings, and everything that you see on the screen. Very important is that any changes on particular page will appear underneath over here. So for example, we have a black color for these elements. We click on the black color, and for example, we want to make these elements in red, and this is how simple it is. You click on the element and then you change the color. You click on the element and then you change the color. Everything is customizable. This is what I really like about Canva. For the text, it's a little different. When you click on the text, you gotta go over here on the text color and then you can change the color text. This is very important because like I mentioned, it might look the same but it isn't. And then once when you start changing it, you can simply click on each of the text and just simply change it individually. The next thing that I want to highlight over here, guys, is if we move on the next slide. If you want to delete a slide, you have to click delete button under the actual slide. If you want to duplicate the slide, there is a button duplicate next to it. Okay. The next function over here is that you can choose, how long the slide will appear. When we move the slide, to a particular time frame, in this particular case, we have 12 seconds, 20 seconds, all the way up to 30 seconds. So again, if you don't use a remote to pause, it is kind of helpful to have long time duration of each of the slides so people can actually see it. You can also include an animation. So in this case, if we do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, write the bullets, they might appear differently. And you can also make the bullets coming up slower and make the bullets coming up faster. You can make a basic showing up, or we can make it something more faster. It's up to you guys. It's all based on personal preference, but it is very easy to build these new functions and to work alongside them. Everything is customizable, and essentially you have to come over here and paste, just copy and paste everything that you already created. When you're done, all you gotta do is to click on the upper right on the small arrow, right, and you click download. This is how simple it is to create a free presentation using Canva. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.